This PC can play most games on 1080p resolution at ultra settings at around 40 to 60 frames per second. And for an example, this is Assassin's Creed 4 running on this PC. The first most important part of a gaming build is a graphic card. Most games nowadays require a better graphic card and don't actually require a very powerful CPU. So the AMD R9 270 by XFX is a great choice for this build. This provides great power at a reasonable price, and with the cooler XFX has provided, it can also be overclocked for even better performance. No graphic card comes close to this at this price. The second most important part is the CPU. I chose AMD FX 6300 as a CPU. It can not only handle gaming but can do most of the CPU intensive tasks such as live streaming and video editing. And also many upcoming games like Watch Dogs and Battlefield 4 utilize more than 4 cores. This CPU if paired with a cooling unit can become a beast overclocker and go up to 5 GHz. So it will be my pick for the CPU. For the motherboard, I chose Asus M5A97LE R2.0. Asus has very high quality motherboards and this one is no exception. It has 4 RAM slots, USB 3 support and also supports SATA up to 6 Gbps. This motherboard will be no hurdle in overclocking, and the parts put together can easily be overclocked. For the RAM, I chose Corsair Vengeance 8GB DDR3 RAM. This RAM provides stable frequency and 8GB is more than enough that you will require for games. Getting a higher clocked RAM won't make much of a difference in gaming, so getting this is a no-brainer. The power supply will be Antec VP450P. This is enough power for this build, has two 12-watt power rates and is a very high quality product by Antec. The last part will be the hard drive, and I picked up the Seagate Barracuda 1TB 7200 RPM drive that is just standard for most PCs. You can also invest in a solid state drive if you don't want to buy a hard drive. This is the gameplay of Watch Dogs on this PC. All the settings are maxed out and the resolution is Full HD and the frame rate is around 50.